Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from Barclays to Zelle in 2025. With the new updates this year, transferring funds has never been smoother or faster. Whether you're sending money to friends, family, or splitting bills, this step-by-step guide will get you set up in no time. First off, ensure your Barclays app is updated to the 2025 version. It's packed with enhanced security and user-friendly features. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Transfers or Payments section, usually found on the main dashboard. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the option to add a new recipient. Search for Zelle in the list of partnered services or enter it manually if it's not showing up. You'll need to link your Zelle account, so have your Zelle login details handy. This might involve a quick verification step for security. After linking, select the amount you want to transfer, double-check the recipient's details to avoid any mishaps, and hit Confirm. Barclays will process the transfer almost instantly, thanks to 2025's improved banking integrations. Keep an eye on any transaction fees. They vary, but most are minimal. If you run into issues, like an error message, make sure your accounts are verified and you have sufficient funds. Pro tip: use the Barclays mobile alerts to track your transfer in real time. And that's it, you've successfully deposited money from Barclays to Zelle. This process not only saves time but also keeps your finances secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy out there.